Iterating through a range of dates in Python. I have the following code to do this, but how can I do it better? Right now I think it's better than nested loops, but it starts to get Perl one-linerish when you have a generator in a list comprehension. Notes. I'm not actually using this to print. That's just for demo purposes. The start_date and end_date variables are datetime.date objects because I don't need the timestamps. They're going to be used to generate a report, a dot sample output. For a start date of the 30th of May 2009 and an end date of the 9th of June 2009.
Why are there two nested iterations? For me, it produces the same list of data with only one iteration. And no list gets stored, only one generator is iterated over. Also, the if in the generator seems to be unnecessary. After all, a linear sequence should only require one iterator, not two. Update after discussion with John Mackin. Maybe the most elegant solution is using a generator function to completely hide/abstract the iteration over the range of dates. NB, for consistency with the built-in range, function this iteration stops before reaching the end_date. So for inclusive iteration use the next day, as you would with range.
This might be more clear.
Use the datetime library. This Python library has many more advanced features, some very useful, like relative deltas, and is implemented as a single file, module, that's easily included into a project.
Pandas is great for time series in general, and has direct support for date ranges. You can then loop over the date range to print the date. It also has lots of options to make life easier. For example, if you only wanted weekdays, you would just swap in date_range. See this URL? The power of Pandas is really its data frames, which support vectorized operations, much like NumPy, that make operations across large quantities of data very fast and easy. Edit. You could also completely skip the for loop and just print it directly, which is easier and more efficient.
If you have a split channel, this is your